Hello, this is Dr. Cheng Wing Kin from Hong Kong. I'm a freelance educator, author, and researcher. I'm going to show you in this video what will be delivered in the special seminar to be held on the 3rd of February. First of all, I will briefly share some theoretical background in developing number sense in early childhood education. This will hopefully help you understand better the rationales behind the design of the teaching and learning material that I'm going to demonstrate. See, here they are. These are some examples of teaching and learning material that I have designed. You can see two useful tools, 10 frames and rack and rack. In the seminar, I will also introduce some of the 10 frames and rack and rack that are made with 4Dframe, beads, papers, and soft K. I will show you how you can also prepare your own material at home. You will have more ideas with these video clips. Please enjoy. Here are a few examples on how to use this creation in building up number sense for kids. It will be quite fun by fusing with dice. I hope that it will inspire you and let you explore some further pedagogical and research direction in this area. Then hand over to Claire Chang, and she'll share her learning experience in past few years with 4Dframe. Please also check out her promotion video and see what Claire has to offer. Finally, I will sum up this section with suggestions to educators, parents, and researchers on the key consideration in building up a student-centered learning environment. Don't miss the chance and join us on the 3rd of February.